Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, and I thought it would be fun to do a cat with a little mousey. Might be fun for the cat, but not so much for the mouse, hey? So just getting my basic lines in, just getting the shapes and angles, and I'm going 4 times the speed here and voicing over. Just mapping out kitty. End up with a lot of lines at this stage, but that's okay because they just kind of fade away into background tone in the end once I start darkening up the lines I like. I really like this stage. I love the looks of this stage before I start putting any fine details in. I felt like at first I kind of made the eyes so they were looking up rather than at the mouth, at the mouse. So I had to kind of change that a little as I went on. So you see me doing a bit of changing on the face as we go. Just get a quick gesture of that mousey there. I do love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat or whatever, what you want to learn about cat drawing. Talk to the community. Help us build this awesome community of crazy cat artists. It's easy to overdo it on a simple sketch like this. I like the little smirk I got on Kitty's face. But I felt like I overdid it a little bit with lines on the face. So I end up lightening some of those up shortly here. And the tail is a guess because I don't see a tail in the picture. But I just thought I'd guess where the tail might be sticking out and how long it might look. Just popped it in there. You learn something valuable with every sketch you do, so do lots. That's how you get good at drawing. And in the meantime, you're developing your own beautiful style. And probably forgetting the rest of your troubles and the rest of the world's troubles at the same time. Drawing is so relaxing when you zone right into it and forget about everything else. Sometimes I'm just thinking the face isn't quite right, and then I think, well, I still got to add whiskers, and then I do, and I like it. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.